we are going to see about the topic of indentations. So indentation is the main part of the Python programming. Whenever write a program, we need to follow the indentation rules in our code. So normally we are using the as like C++ program, using the curly braces symbol to describe a particular code block. So like that way we are using the colon symbol used to represent the indentation in our program. So how it work on in Python programming? Normally code block means it is represent the body of the functions, or it is start with loop or indentation and end with another loop. And it is normally called as the post spaces. So I here I take a file and create a new file and start the program for indentations. Now I have used the def. So def is the keyword is used to define the particular function. I give a function name is test. I never pass any argument for it. So this symbol, so the colon symbol used to represent the particular block in our code. This is the indentation start with this colon symbol. So whenever I give a enter symbol, it will give a particular space. This is called indentation space. Whenever you write a program, you need to give the indentation space. Otherwise, it shows the error in our program when you are executing our coding. Now I give a small statement for it. Welcome to nested code tech YouTube channel. Just here take give a two statement for it. 5 plus 10 define. So now I start with it. This is a indentation space. So I have closed the unindented block. So and call the function. So whenever write a program, you need to call the particular function. Just give the function name here. So there is no need to create an object for it. Now I save the file. First example, I give a name for it. You normally take it as a Python file, so it may never need to change it. Now I run the module, so directly give a FI for it. So now I get an output response. So first I call the function, directly go to the function and print the statement. What are the here defined? So I remove the white space here. It automatically show in error in our execution of program. So give a F5 and execute the program. It is show the error expected on indented block. So whenever you write a program, so whenever you give a symbol means you need to give a indentation block for it. So normally showing error like that way means you need to give the space for it. So in keyboard we have a tab key. So just to give the tab key, it is going the alignment correct way. And after you give a F5 and execute the program, so automatically give the correct response. For whenever you give a colon means we need to give a indentation block for it. So this is a mandatory one. So it is very important in Python program writing. So this is example for indentation. So thanks for watching this video.